mean, I think one of the key trends in GIS in general is moving away from, the corner office where 3 or 4 guys are understanding maps and GIS data, and they have to generate a series of reports to share with other folks. And now it's really more in an open environment where your GIS is being viewed by not only stakeholders in your company or organization, but by the public. And that means websites, web mapping, mobile applications. All of these things we recognize are very important in every aspect of work that we do. And we have developed an expertise in developing those platforms, particularly in mobile applications as well as web portals.
We have a very diverse development environment at BroadMap. We work with Python extensively, C++, C#, PHP, Java, JavaScript, and I think as any programmer would know and say, once you become familiar with enough languages between the various people on our team, and we have a lot of overlap, that adding a new language or a new variation on the language isn't that hard at all. They're very similar for the most part. And for example, Java is something which traditionally was used as a web language, allows you to have a platform independent program. That's also extensible to Android. iOS is based off of Objective-C, so we can leverage C knowledge there. All these things work together and allow us to develop new applications or websites for just about any application.
I think that we have grown our expertise in the cloud, in having cloud-hosted solutions for our customers and for ourselves. And the benefits have been enormous for our broadband mapping partners, for example. They have all the security they need, they have all the uptime they need, and they have a price point that they're looking for.
Another thing that BroadMap brings to the table goes outside of our standard GIS expertise. Some of the things that we have built internally have helped us solve problems that we have and also solve problems that our customer base have. A good example of that is our provider catalog, which allows us to internally track all of the data and related activities around those providers in a more or less homegrown, customized CRM. Not only can we use that tool internally, but we can also host it on the web, allow concurrent access to our clients so they can have a view into how the program is going, the different steps that are being taken, and where we are at any given moment in time. Well, I think another trend in GIS or the mapping world, and certainly in location-based services, is the key, the draw towards location. Location is becoming more and more prevalent in everything we do, whether it's a geo tweet or Facebook checking in. Every application that we tend to interact with these days has some sort of location component to it. One of the things that BroadMap can bring is our expertise in how to actually apply location to applications that may have already be out there, how to improve them, or how to add a location element into your business, which can also transcend itself into web applications as well as mobile applications.